Hello, good morning. Timabur de Tangan Busti Riverbell aro Fellowship Colony laka Tri Junction de Takia laka Road Divider Pangai dia laka opo de Timabur Urban Council German Federations kanbra condemn grishe. Manu laka irresponsible ba public safety laka endanger kurahi nohigena civic responsibility aro rules of law do hele disregard kurishe ase. Federations kanbra kobor guri dia siki public property pangai dia karni West Police Station de FIR do hele officially bra file kurigena ase gusha. Federations kan bra Traffic Police Department aro West Police Station kan ge idu laka mamla opo de pal bra chanbin kurigena culprit to hele identify kurigena tai ke full accountability kuri dibole laka chanashe. Federations pa janai dia ase ki public laka welfare aro safety karne taxpayer laka poisa lui gena public laka property banaishe aro idu maintenance kuri ase goshe public laka property pangai dia manu kan ke saza nidi gena doile nacharibo goshe federations pa demand kuri ase ki public property pangai dia karne accused manu do hoile PNS laka alag alag section aro applicable law laka hisab de book kuribole laka janai dishe Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region laka report hisab de Northeast Special Infrastructure Development Scheme laka under de Nagaland de 2019 aru 25 laka macho de 20 road project banabo gane 1036.11 crore toile approve kuri gana sanction guri she go ase Project Khando hele Transport and Communication Sector laka under de takishe go ase Public Work Department khan bra kam do hele execute kuri she go na janai dishe 20 road project laga 8 to hoile complete kurishe go ase charda do hele Department of Tourism laga under de thagishe aro alak charda do hele Notice Road Sector Development Scheme laga under de thagishe goshe idia 12 project to hoile complete hua nai go ase 5 to hele 2025 de sanction gora laga thagishe goshe 2019 aro 2022 de sanction gora laga project kan idia bi complete hua nai kwa laga report de janashe Southern Angami Public Organizations kan brakwa sike 13 February de Mao Pusti de Chakuma Public Organization laka President District Administration Official aro local resident opo de Mao Pusti laka authorities kan bra accretion tekya laka opo de condemn gorsha press release de Southern Angami Public Organizations Kambra Kwasiki incident de physical assault aro pator kan phelai thakya laga involve kora do hele unacceptable ase goshe organizations by Elis Korea siki CBO laga president ge thamgi dia aro physically assault kora aro district administration laga official aro public members ke pator phela do hele government agency aro civil bodies kan ge direct confrontation kora ase goshe Southern Angami Public Organizations Kambra Guasiki Chakuma Jurisdiction de Doile PC Salbra Sandibra Ahi ase goshe insecurity doile eku nathakibo goshe idulaka area de legal ownership aro land purchase bra development activities kan bishi hoy ase goshe Dimapur Chumuki Dima aro Kohima district de grow korage bishi contribution kurishe goyase organizations Kambra communities kan ge land ownership right to ele respect kurobole aro differentiate thakya do ele true dialogue pra resolve kurobole laka janaishe NSN GBRN Kango Party khan bra February 13 aro 14 laka majote National Tata Hoho laka session thakishe goye ase presidential address de retire Lieutenant General Kango Kunyak bra Naga nation garne strengthening kuribo garne Naga unity laka necessity opode kotha janashe Kango bragushe ki political majote differentiate thakya aro organization majote division hua aro personal agenda bra Naga manu laka collective voice toile komjuri banai dishe goshe Kango bragushe ki nijo laka majote differentiate thakya doile dialogue aro collective wisdom bra resolve kuribo lage goshe Idia laka mamla de do hele reconciliation do hele bishi important ase goshe Taibra members kan ge urge kure ase ki confrontation gura bra do hele reconciliation choose kurebi fragmentation bra unity banabi aro mistrust bra understanding hobi goshe Kango bra reaffirm kurigena kwasi ki NSN kam do hele reconciliation garne committed ase goshe aro members kan ge janai dia se ke ancestral land political rights naga manu laka dignity defend guribo karni courageous aro diary guri na thakibole laga janaisha. All Nagaland Private School Associations kambra press release ti koi ase ki National Education Policy laka hisab te education do hele itia critical turning point te hoishe koi ase memorize kuri kana siki thakya bra itia do hele skill based laga rasta di jai ase kushe idu laga transition do hele Nagaland karne bishi bhal hobole ase kushe school khan de real dunia de ki hoi ase idu laga opor de sikabole aro innovate kuribo karne school de freedom kuribo lagi kushe associations pa inform kuri ase ki Nagaland de PC Park Private School khan de concept based learning sports project noile experimental activities kan do hele already introduced hoishe koi ase idu laga activities ba students kan memorize kuri kana exam karni ready kura bra hi noi kana students kan idu laga mota pra life ready bi hoi ase goshe associations kan bra vocational education laga opor de chanai dishe ki entrepreneurship communication aro problem solving laga importance opor de chanai dishe notice de economic karne self employment toile bishi dangor role play kuri goshe vocational learning toile academic subject lo de replace no hoi kana eki loko de sekabo lage goshe associations kan bra ko ase ki board exam laga result de hi pacha kan ba phal marks pa doile ta khan ke overall development phal ase koi kana idu laga rasta de nasabo lage kushe exam na thaka laga core curricular activities kan sports music arts aro public speaking khan bra students kan ge confident aro discipline do hele build kuri kushe school khan ge fees bishi charge kura laga opor de be association ba janai dishi ki quality education babu karne do hele poisa do kharcha kuribo lage kushe infrastructure teachers training laboratory digital tools are all self-learning environment karne investment lagi goshe education do ele kharja gora laka side de nasabo lagi goshe education do ele long term investment laka hisab te sabo lagi goshe associations kan bra exam laka humoi de disturbance bishi hwa laka opor de bi janai dishe ki protest kura bra noile media confrontation noile disturbance kura bra students kan garne anxiety hobo aro ta khan laga learning sto ele undermine hobo goshe associations kan ba parents school management aro civil society group kan ge urge kura ase ki proper channel through bra hi engage kuribole aro mutual trust aro responsibility phal build kurile hi educational function doile phal hoi goi kana ta khambra janai Dimapur Naga students union kamba press release te goi ase ki model test aro internal examination loa humoi de fail hoicha students kan reappear kuribo karne students kan ke poisa bishi manga laka opor de student aro parents kan bra complain kura to ele bishi hwa karne ta concern hwa laga janashe press release te DNA shubra ko ase ki school khan laga administrative purpose karne re-examination fees to hele collect kuri goshe hole bi kumba school khan bra per subject te 2000 5000 charge kura laga bi elish ase goshe aro idu poisa do ele examination pass hoishe gole to refund kuri dibole laga bi koishe go ase school khan laga justification hisab te ta kham right to practice kura do hele students kan serious thakibo karne hi kura laga ase goshe DNA shubra go ase ki academic te discipline maintain kura do hele bishi important ase hoile bi parents aro guardians kan ge poisa bishi impose kuri gana tok dia bi thik nohoi goshe students kan ge motivate kura nohele academic improve kura do hele financial pressure bra nohoi gana constructive aro student friendly approach pai hobo goshe DNA show kan ba concerned institutions kan ge fairness nohele reasonable thakibo karne fee structure laga opor ekba review kuribole aro rationalize kuribole laga bi janai dishe Manipur police kambra Sunday din de kuishe ke security force kambra Saturday din de alag alag insurgents group kan laka chuida militants ke harass kuishe kushe chuida laka tuida doile maiki sabai takishe kushe police officials kambra ko asike arrest kura laka militants doile People's Liberation Army laka Revolutionary People's Front Kanglai Communist Party aro People's Revolutionary Party of Kanglai laka takishe kushe officials kambra ko ase ke security force kambra tuijon maiki ke Indo Myanmar border de arrest kurishe goshe taijon do ile PLA laka active cadres takishe goshe tuijon maiki do ile Tisnubu aro Impal West district te thakya laga ase goshe operation the security force kambra punduk aro kuli kambe recover kurishe goina janai dishe Manipur Police Kambra separate operation gura de Senabati Impal West District de phone chol gura aro cyber fraud ke involve kuri thakya duijon manu ke bi arrest kuri she koi kana janai dishe Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve de chakali Sunday de Forest Guard official duty jai thakya time de rhino bra hamla kuri kana Forest Guard ekjon muri jashe aro Forest staff member ekjon ge chokam guri dishe koi ase official report laga hisab de hatsa hoa doile puldu loni kem laga under de hoishe goshe Murija manu laga nam do hele Sahabudin 52 years old tagishe aro chokamba laga forest staff member do hele Raman Bura koi kana jane bole parishe Murija manu do hele tai hospital de lui jaise hoile bi tai chokamba bra muri jaise goshe chokamba manu do hele etia Churahat Medical College and Hospital te treatment jai ase goshe tai do hele bisi serious ba chokam baishe go ase incident laga opor de etia inquiry do hele initiate hoishe go ase ajala khobor de man de khatam kuri di ase chidi kumba manu nutun thakile morom bar subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi gona janai di ase thank you